Guys, let's start to play this binary. This is binary.com, and I want you to pay attention to it. Very good. I want you to pay attention to it. This is very binary. Yes, that's good. This is binary.com. Let's check our balance. Our balance is 16,771. I want you to pay attention to it. I'm playing this script. I'm playing this terminal at the same time. One will be losing while one will be won, and after that I martingale the one that's losing. Now let's start it. Let's check our balance. Our balance is 16,771.27. Let's approach it now. Let's start. Now this one lost. The one that lost, then you martingate. You have 4. The one that won, then you leave it. If you look at it, you just lose only cents. This is how you gain your money back. Let's check. Let's be watching. Let's be watching. Yes, guys, let's look at it. This one now won, we are in profit now, and this one now lose. The one that won, turn it back to 2. The one that lost, martingale it back. Then let's go. Now guys, look at it now. This one lost while this one won. Let's check our balance. Our balance is 16,774. Let's check our initial balance now. Our initial balance is 16,771. You see how this is very profitable. Very profitable. I tell you, if you can stick with it, you can make at least 70% of your money, if not at all 100% of your money daily. Then if you need the bot I'm using to play this one I'm playing, contact me. You can chat me on WhatsApp. Or comment directly. I will respond to you. If you didn't receive my message, no problem. I will respond as at any time I see the message. Thank you very much for watching this very terminal. Is very profitable if you can stick with it. I'm telling you, it's very okay, very okay. And there's a lot of secret behind it that I'll be telling you whenever you DM me. Thank you very much for watching.